Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-sportline, and I've got our Cybertruck again. I'm very excited to introduce T-sportline's new angled steel side step. This is a bolt-on for the Cybertruck. We got a few things going on here. Number one is protection. So with our new side step bolted on, you're going to protect the cladding, the plastic cladding that's underneath it. This is going to protect against scratches. So our alloy steel step is powder coated alloy steel. It's got a textured finish. You can step on it all you want. You're not going to scratch it like the plastic. Second, door dings. It sticks out a little bit from the Cybertruck. When you get up close to somebody, they open their door, it's going to hit the step and not the truck. And third, finally, it's a little bit of off-road protection. It's not a rock slider, but it's going to give you the basic protections if you're off-road. Let's move into design. We paid attention to the Cybertruck design language. This is CNC bent angled alloy steel. It looks perfect. It's that OEM plus look. It looks like it came from the factory. It looks right at home on the Cybertruck. Now finally, as a step, it functions to add a few inches to the step area. So instead of stepping on the edge of the plastic, now you can step on this. And most importantly, as a step, it doesn't reduce ground clearance. This is less than a 1/4 inch different than the bottom of the truck without it. So you can bolt this on. There's no modifications, no permanent mods to the truck. Bolt it on, take it off if you turn your lease in, but it produces the step for you without reducing ground clearance. All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this new side step from T-sportline. If you like this video, check the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and keep coming back because we have a lot more new products for Cybertruck launching soon.